Mailman.
What?
I saw. I saw your
Huh?
mailman. I saw your mailman.
What?
I saw your mailman.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelina Dominic Roderick and you're watching She Beyond Your League.
And on we'll go.
Hey you guys, here I am again today with another challenge video, and that is the Whisper Challenge with my brother. His name is Neil Roderick. If you guys haven't seen our last video together, that was about him guessing my makeup products, so you can definitely click the link above and go and check it out first, because it was really a fun video and this is going to be good. So if you guys don't know what is a Whisper Challenge, basically you one person listens to music, like listens to a loud music, and the other person tries to tell that person a sentence. First we start with a word, three rounds we'll keep, and first round will be word. So I will try to tell him a word and I'll whisper the word, like literally just whisper, like that. So he has to guess what I'm saying, and if he gets it right, then he'll get a point and stuff like that. So like that we'll be doing 3 rounds. That will be 6 chances, and whoever gets like all 6 points, they will win, and who doesn't get all 6 points will have to eat a mixture of really gross things, that is like vinegar, mirchi powder, haldi, mayonnaise, chili cheese spread, pasta sauce, and everything like that. So I hope you're ready to do that. So guys, before we start this video, I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Also hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right beside it, so you guys are notified every time I upload a brand new video. So guys, many such challenges like beauty, fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, travel, and also I will be doing a lot of gaming and fun challenges and stuff. So if you guys don't want to miss that, definitely subscribe and also follow me on my social medias right here, and also link in description. If you guys would like to see my short reels, photo shoot pictures, makeup tutorials and stuff like that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, ignore this. मुझे कट हुआ है, so मैंने Betadine का क्रीम लगाया हुआ, वो सब जगह फैल गया. Okay, so guys, we're starting with the first round. I'm going first. I'm the one who's going to listen, and he's the one who's going to whisper the word. And yeah, let's go and let's see. And also, her song का middle part will be like mostly played, because starting में कोई song थोड़ा slow जाता है, so middle part will be played the most. So let's go. I'm dead. Huh? What?
I didn't say anything. 2, 1, start. Holy night.
What? Langoti?
Holy night.
What?
Holy night.
Bongati? Again say.
Holy night.
Arey, make your lip movement. Like that.
Holy night. Holy night.
Are you even whispering or talking? Thoda sa at least. Okay, sir.
Holy night.
What?
Holy night.
Udisati? What?
Holy night. Holy night.
Udita?
Holy night. Leave it. Holy night.
Olila?
Holy night.
Oyai?
Bas. Holy night.
Are you mad? What to say? That
I'm telling ho.
Just say that. Say first.
Holy night.
So holy na eat. Like that say.
Na eat.
So guys, he made me play the footage back, and actually he was telling pretty loudly, but I couldn't hear anything. Like I literally thought he's just whispering, and for a moment I was thinking like he's not even whispering, he's doing cheating. But he made me watch the footage back, and he was actually talking very loudly. So yeah, he gets a point. So now I'm going to tell him the second word, and here starts the music. Okay, so let's go. Speak louder.
What?
Speak louder.
Speak loudly.
You heard?
No, no. Hello.
You heard. Yeah, I heard.
No,
You had gone low.
No.
झूठ बोलो बार बार झूठ बोलो.
No, let's do a take 2.
You had done this.
You had
before.
heard.
You had heard this, and you were not able to tell it.
Go again. That was actually not the actual word. Okay. Speak louder.
Speak loudly.
Speak louder.
Speak
Louder. Louder.
loudly.
Louder. Speak louder. Louder.
What?
Louder. Louder.
Loud and clear.
Louder.
Loud clear.
Loud.
Speak
Louder.
loudly.
Louder.
Loud and clear.
Louder. Louder. Louder.
Speak loud, Neil.
Louder. Louder.
Loud clear.
Louder.
What?
Louder. 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 Louder.
Loud and clear.
Speak louder. So I got a point. You were saying loudly. When did I say loud and clear? Why are you saying and? Loud, clear. Arey, louder. Okay, anyways, next is my chance. So guys, now we're starting with the second round, and that is going to be a small sentence, like only of 3-4 words, and yeah, the third round will be a long sentence. So here we go. It's very loud. Okay, say.
1, 2, 3, go. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You heard it all.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक
No, you heard it.
The sound was so loud, like literally all could also
No,
hear.
you heard it.
No,
You
no,
heard it
no.
also.
Sound was very loud. You said
Okay, other sentence, because you were- I also give you
no,
other sentence.
No, I
You
don't
were
give
telling
me
speak
other
loud.
sentence.
It was not a sentence.
Speak loudly was
It was
two
not a
words.
sentence.
But you said nice to meet you. It is normal only, like you say it in daily life, right? Nice to meet you. So that only he said, so I
So-
understood. Cheater.
Oh.
So I got 2 points and he got 1 point.
2 points. Fine, हाँ, guessing.
So guys, I got a really nice one. Okay, so let's start. Okay. The sound is on. Devil's advocate.
What?
Devil's advocate. Devil's.
What?
Devil's.
Now please.
Devil's.
Deaf is.
Devil's.
What?
Devil's.
Deaf is.
Devil's.
Deaf is.
Devil's.
Left is.
Devils.
What?
Devils.
What?
Devils.
Ne? Deaf is.
Devils.
Office.
I tried, okay. Devils.
Fees is there in that.
No. No. Devil's advocate. Devil's advocate. Why are you
What are you telling?
Devil's.
Nef is.
Nefis, is it a word? Is Nefis a word?
What?
Nefis is a word or what? Devils.
Deaf is.
Devils.
David.
Devils.
Davis.
Devils.
Devils.
Advocate.
What?
Advocate.
What?
Advocate. Devils.
Devils.
Advocate.
I.
Ad.
Eight.
Advocate.
Bank.
Advocate. Pass. What time हो गया मेरे पास? Devils.
Devils.
Advocate.
What?
Advocate.
No, not Joel telling.
Advocate.
I will kill you.
Advocate. If what time became pass?
Devils don't meet at night.
Okay, time up. Pass. Devil's advocate.
It is hard, but
हाँ तो hard only.
I didn't give you. I give you so easy words.
So
Nice to meet you.
your point. You had to give hard only.
I gave you
to get a
nice
point.
word.
So I got 3 points and he has only 1 point. It was such a क्या बोलते हैं, suitable for him वाला word. Devil's
difficult.
advocate. हाँ तो you have to give difficult only.
I give you easy. It was second round. It was just second round. It was just second round.
Your fault. Second
I
round
should
should
have
be
so much big
medium.
sentence.
It should be medium. 2 words it was. I was not. I
You're
was
doing whoa. What is the whoa?
advocate.
What is whoa? 2 times I told it.
Just to make you know that advocate.
I thought they're barking whoa.
Okay, so guys, we have reached to the 3rd round with 3 points and 1 point. So this round is going to be very, very hard. So you have to choose a big sentence, and he has already chosen it. So let's go.
I'll tell you what. I forgot.
What? You forgot the sentence और मेरे को उसके expression से पता चला. I am only so unforgettable. Like मेरे को देख के लोग दुनिया भूल जाते हैं.
Start. Can you climb a tree? Because I am sure you cannot.
I'm sure you're not. से पहले
Can you climb a tree?
can you tell me?
Can you climb a tree?
Can you help me?
Can you climb a tree?
Can you write? Then
Can you?
Okay. Now start.
Can you climb a tree?
Can you?
Can you climb a tree? And I'm sure you cannot.
Slowly say na. Loudly say na.
Can you climb a tree? Because I'm sure you cannot.
Because I'm sure you cannot. That I understood.
No, you
उसके
still
पहले
need
का?
to.
उसके पहले का?
Can you climb a tree?
What?
Can you climb a tree?
Can you climb a tree? Can you climb a tree?
Because I am sure you cannot.
Because I'm sure you cannot.
No, this is
Getting
cheating.
great.
No, the song was.
What did I have a finish? And why you stop my song?
Arey, what?
What? What?
What is this? Because it comes out this. If it comes out one time, you cannot put it. If you put it again, then again the sound will come out. Because it comes out like listening sound increases.
So I didn't say. I didn't could say.
Wow.
It was very loud. The sound.
It was.
only was so
But I
loud.
was listening now.
Same.
That my eardrum could have. I don't know.
So you want to go again? क्या बोले पहले? So basically problem ये हो गया कि मेरे टाइम पे sound थोड़ा low हो गया था. So now he'll be finding another sentence and doing it again. I'm not a cheater. वो उसकी वजह से हुआ था song low. कुछ भी मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था मैंने अभी देखा. I'm not a cheater. I'm a winner.
I'm changing the song.
No, Nani, please.
No, I'm changing the song.
Why I'm dancing? That's why. You don't
No,
like
because
to
you're
be happy.
irritating.
I'm meditating. I'm cute. This video is on. Can you do fast? So what are you smiling? Huh? You said I'm cheater, and you said because I'm meditating, and you said so many things. That's what you do. And you're ignoring me also. Put some actual song, Nalal. Like actual song, not NCS वाला song. Like actual one. ये सेंटेंस भूल जाता है यार 2 मिनट देखकर भी. अभी से तो
I saw your mailman toss.
What?
I saw your mailman toss your mail in the can. I saw your mailman toss your mail in the can.
what?
I saw your mailman toss your mail in the can.
So big sentence. Say.
I saw your.
आवाज became. I told you this beat drop वाला. I saw your. Put a full loud वाला. अब मैंने अभी कुछ किया मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I heard ना change your sentence. I saw your. चलेगा.
I saw your mailman toss your mail in the can.
I saw your piggy bank.
I saw your mailman toss your mail in the can.
अरे पहले ब्रेक करो बोलना पहले.
Mailman.
मिनी बैग.
Mailman.
My bag.
Mailman.
Me bag.
Mailman. Mail. Mailman.
What?
Mailman.
What?
I saw. I saw your
Huh?
mailman. I saw your mailman.
What?
I saw your mailman.
What?
I saw your mailman.
Make a bank.
Your mailman.
I saw your
Mailman. See my lip, don't worry. I saw your mailman.
mini bank.
Mailman. Mailman.
Made bag.
I saw your mailman.
Okay, full
I
sentence.
saw your mailman toss a mail in your can.
In your can.
In your can.
In your can.
Last word.
I saw your in your can. Okay, आगे.
I saw. I saw your mailman.
I saw you playing band. Band in your car.
I saw your mailman.
I can't get this word यार उसके आगे का.
I saw your mailman.
Piggy.
Why you like
I'm
that?
not getting यार. उसके आगे का.
I saw your mailman toss your mail in the can.
Pass.
I saw your mailman toss your mail in the can. Go on.
What was that word? What I was not getting? I saw
Mailman.
Wow.
You're getting piggy bank. Piggy bank is good. Mail. I told you mailman. Mailman. Like that I'm telling you.
नहीं समझ में. Offline.
A friend.
Offline.
A friend.
Offline.
A friend.
Offline. Offline. Donkey. Beds.
A flight.
Offline.
Flying.
Oh.
A flying donkey.
Okay. Beds.
Bed.
Beds.
Bed. Bed.
Oh monkey. Beds. Beds.
Bed.
हाँ. Oh monkey.
A
Monkey.
what?
Monkey.
A
Monkey.
what?
Monkey. Monkey.
Murray.
Monkey.
Bakri.
Monkey.
What?
Monkey.
Monkey.
You are able to hear
No,
the speed
no,
drops, na?
no. I'm listening.
Say the whole sentence. Say
I'm
the whole
listening
sentence.
the
Say the whole sentence.
same song. A flying donkey. Bed. A monkey.
Okay, you got a point. So I got 4 points, right?
Hey, no, 3 points.
Okay, 3 points.
Because you didn't guess the last one.
I didn't get the last one.
No.
Ah, okay,
Okay,
I
both
got
are
1
one
point.
equal.
No, and you got 2
3.
points.
No.
Neil,
First one.
you got 2
First
points.
one I got. And then now 2 points. In this round. Both the points I got and last one also both the points you got.
How you got now 2 points? Ah, so we need to do 1 more for a tiebreaker.
Jokers, gestures.
What?
Jokers, gestures.
Jokers,
Gestures.
gestures.
Jokers, gestures.
Jokers gets us,
Gestures.
gestures.
Gestures and jigglers, jiggle.
And
Jigglers, jiggle.
jokers, gestures and jiggle.
Jokers, gesture.
Jokers gets us and jiggle. What?
Get us and jiggle.
What?
Jokers, gestures and jigglers, jiggle.
Jiggle jumps.
Jokers, gestures and
Gestures is what? Jokers के बाद what?
Jokers, gestures. Jokers, gestures.
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 Gets us.
Gestures. Gestures.
Gets us.
Gestures.
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 Gestures. Gestures.
Gestures. Gestures. Gestures. Jokers, gestures.
Gestures.
Gestures
And jigglers.
and jiggles.
Jiggle you.
No. Jokers, gestures and jiggles.
And jigglers, jiggle. And jigglers, jiggle.
And jiggle, jiggle. What?
Jigglers, jiggle.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Jigglers, jiggle.
Okay, jiggles, jiggle. Jokers, gestures and
Gestures,
jokers, gestures.
Gestures, no.
Gestures, not gestures. Like a
Not
behavior.
gestures. Gestures. Gestures.
Gestures. Jokers, gestures and jigglers, jiggles. I got it right with the one point, and I got 4 and you got 3. So guys, as he lost the challenge, I'm going to give him mirchi powder to eat, or bus half spoon I'll be giving him. But take this. Put it in mouth director. Daddy भी also उसके लग गया है.
I at least given you sauce.
Guys, we didn't have much time to make the whole mixture and everything, so that's the reason I gave him mirchi powder. So guys, this was the end of this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell right beside it so you guys don't miss any new videos. And also if you guys want me to make videos with this fellow and you have any ideas of challenges or anything like that, you can mention them down below. Abhi wo jaane wala hai pani peene wala hai and we are going to go. Bye bye.